Ring to what to tell the doctor.
Put the date on it, beta. Put the date on the para from where we are continuing today. Date written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now Yuri, he wants Albert not to lie to the doctor because he was no fool. And Yuri tells him to be honest and not to pretend that he's really having nervous issues or something like that. Okay. And he also mentions it immediately that it was not possible for him to tell the lie. Why? Because Albert was the world's worst liar, means he was not so good in speaking lies.
मैम आपका माइक्रोफोन म्यूट हो गया.
हाँ वो मैंने करा था. चलिए नेक्स्ट पैरा देखो. After spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor when the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. Okay. Now Albert, he spends the next day and he was thinking, okay, what should I tell doctor when he would meet doctor? He was thinking all about it. That what is he going to tell the doctor? But when the time came, okay, for his appointment, इतना ज्यादा worried हो गया था कि he really, okay, was quite nervous. Got it? He actually got nervous breakdown. I don't really know how to
Yes, ma'am.
describe my trouble, Dr. Vale, he began. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri has already given me a history of the case. Now, when he meets doctor, he says, Albert कहते हैं कि I don't know really, he does not know how to describe his problem, how to describe his trouble. So doctor कहते हैं, you don't need to. Why? Because Yuri has already told me everything about your case. Oh, what did he say? Okay, Albert asked. Only that he want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown. राइट. कहते हैं यूरी ने मुझे ये बोला है कि मुझे ये सोचना है कि यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन एंड से दैट यू मस्ट नॉट गो बैक टू दैट स्कूल एंड आई हैव टू सर्टिफाई दैट you cannot go back to school because of this nervous breakdown. Oh dear, Albert face fell. He shouldn't have told you that. Okay. अब एल्बर्ट को बड़ा खराब लगा और कहता नहीं नहीं यूरी को ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं कहना चाहिए था. Why not? Isn't it true then? Yes, that is the trouble. Okay. अब डॉक्टर कहता है क्यों क्यों नहीं बताना चाहिए था, क्या ये सच नहीं है? Isn't it true? Of course it is. That is the trouble. Then doctor says, now you will say that is not, oh sorry, Albert says that to the doctor, now you are going to tell me there is nothing wrong with me and you tell me to go back to school. अब वो कहता है ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए, एक्चुअली अब आप मुझे देखोगे and you are going to tell me कि nothing is wrong with you and you should not go to the school. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, you must go to the school, you are fine. Don't be too sure of that, said the doctor. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure you are in nervous state about that school, but I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert wide-eyed. How can you know that? अब डॉक्टर कहते हैं कि ऐसी कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है, वेरी वेल आई कैन सी यू कि ऑफ कोर्स है. ओके. जहां तक स्कूल की बात है, यू एक्चुअली सफरिंग फ्रॉम नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन. Okay, when doctor says this, Albert wide-eyed, matlab he became somewhat surprised, okay, with the doctor's reply, and he asked him ki how did he get to know about this? Means everything about Albert, that he is really suffering from nervous breakdown because of that school. Because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. That is why. अब डॉक्टर कहते हैं कि I know very well about it. Why? Because if you wouldn't have been suffering from nervous breakdown, तो फिर तुम मेरे पास आते ही क्यों? You came to me. Why? Because you are suffering from nervous breakdown. Who is this DM?
Ma'am Divyansh.
So why you are giving the codes? Put your name. ये फालतू की नाटकबाजी मत करा करो. Type your full name, otherwise I'm going to remove you. So he says that surely you wouldn't have come to see me if you would not had any problem. Okay, but you are very pretty close to a nervous breakdown. के बहुत आसपास ही हो तुम. वास्तव में ऐसा लग रहा है कि you are having nervous breakdown, said the doctor. If I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay from school for a while, what will you do? Now doctor says, suppose I certify, okay, I give you the certificate that you are not in the condition of attending the school because you are suffering from nervous breakdown. Then what will you do? Where will you go? क्या करोगे? Okay, स्कूल से तुम्हें लीव मिल जाए इतनी लंबी सिक लीव नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन की वजह से, तो क्या करोगे? I'll go to Italy, said Albert, to Milan, where my parents are. मैं मिलान चला जाऊंगा जहाँ मेरे parents हैं. And what will you do there? The doctor asked. I'll try to get into an Italian college or institute. Now, he says there, I'll just try to take admission in some Italian college or some institute. How can you without a diploma? Okay, until and unless you do not pass the school examination, how will you get an admission into a college? Okay, बिना डिप्लोमा के. I'll ask my maths teacher to give me something about my work and perhaps that will be enough. क्या एल्बर्ट कहता है, I'll just ask my maths teacher कि कोई reference दे दे, a glowing reference, okay, and that would be enough to grant me or to get admission in some college or institute. I have learnt all the maths they teach at school. Albert says whatever maths is being taught at school, I have learnt it and a bit more. Okay, और उससे थोड़ी ज़्यादा I have learnt it. He added when Dr. Whale he looked doubtful. Well, it's up to you, he said. I doubt if it will come off, but I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. अब डॉक्टर कहते हैं well it's up to you, जैसा भी तुम चाहो, but I doubt कि if it will prove है ना fruitful, if you are going to get the admission in some college or institute, okay, तो उसका थोड़ा मुझे doubt है. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि if you are not interested here, then you are not doing any good, okay, either to yourself, sorry, neither to yourself nor to anyone else, है ना. ना तो कुछ अपना भला कर रहे हो तुम, ना दूसरे का भला कर रहे हो. Why? Because you are not interested here in the school studies. Then doctor he asked, how long would you like me to say you should stay away from school, है ना. कितना चाहोगे कि भाई कितने दिन के लिए I should take leave, okay, I should certify that you should remain away from the school for how many days, how many months or so on. Would 6 months be all right? And doctor says 6 months enough time. This is very kind of you, Albert, becomes very happy, very nice of you. It's nothing, I have only just stopped being a student myself, so I know how you feel. अब जैसे कहते हैं ना, it's very nice of you, it's very kind of you. डॉक्टर कहते हैं नहीं नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है. Actually, even I was a student last week last week only I qualified as a doctor. इससे पहले I was a student, so I understand the students' feelings and all. और मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है कि तुम भी कैसा फील करते हो, how you are. Dr. Whale handed him the certificate, and then Dr. Whale he wrote the certificate that this student is suffering from nervous breakdown, so he should be given leave for nearly 6 months, okay, until he gets cured. And the best of luck. Now Dr. Whale hands him the certificate and says best of luck to him. How much? Albert asks. How much to pay you for this? Nothing, doctor says. कोई charges नहीं लिए, कोई doctor ने fee नहीं ली. If you have anything to spare, invite Yuri to a meal. He's a good friend of mine and yours too, I think. कहते हैं यदि कुछ देना ही है तो just take Yuri for a meal, okay. He is a very good friend of mine and he is also a good friend of yours. तो बस इतना ही करना कि यूरी को अच्छे से डिनर या किसी पे लंच पे ले जाना. Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. Okay. Now see, though Albert did not have so much of extra money, but he was very happy. He was filled with joy, so he took Yuri out for supper. Got it? समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now Albert, he meets Yuri. Very happy Albert is. Isn't it wonderful? Albert कहते हैं, okay? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. Yes, it's fine. Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period. This way you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. कहते हैं, of course best चाहिए तो 6 months enough time. Okay. अब एक तरह की लीव मिल गई है उसको, sick leave मिल गई है, तो he won't be terminated from the school, right? He won't actually be leaving the school. He would be the student of that school, but as a sick student, okay, जो sick leave पर है, as he's gone on sick leave. तो वो कहते हैं यदि worst से worst भी हो तुम्हारे साथ, okay, Milan में तुम जाने की सोच रहे हो, you're thinking of going to Milan, and if something worse happens to you, okay, and you are not able to continue in Milan, surely you have an option to return back to your school and to complete the school diploma. Got it, beta? समझ में आया? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood? Yuri कहते हैं बहुत बढ़िया time,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
months, a good time, है ना? क्योंकि Albert he thought of going to Milan, तो कहते हैं कि बहुत बढ़िया time है, 6 months का enough time you have now, कि in case if Milan unsuits you, you are not able to cope up there or something worst happens to you, you can return back to the school. Why? Because you are not terminated, you are on sick leave, तो तुम्हारे पास option है. I'll never go back to that place, Albert assured him. लेकिन Albert को तो इतनी नफरत हो गई थी, तो Albert कहते हैं कुछ भी हो, I'll never go to that place. Sorry, beta. I'm going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Okay, I'm not going to go back to the school. Tomorrow only I'll take this certificate to the head teacher, and I'll just show it that I cannot continue with the school as I'm suffering from nervous breakdown. अब उससे पहले यूरी रिमाइंड करता है कि डोंट फॉरगेट टू गेट अ रेफरेंस इन राइटिंग फ्रॉम ए मैथ्स टीचर फर्स्ट, ओके? लेकिन बिफोर गोइंग टू द हेडमास्टर, ओके, रिमेंबर टू गेट द रेफरेंस लेटर फर्स्ट फ्रॉम द मैथमेटिक्स टीचर. That will help you to get admission in some Italian college or institute. Mr. Cooch willingly gave. Who was Mr. Cooch? Mathematics teacher, okay? So Mr. Cooch willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted, और Mr. Cooch जो थे Albert से काफी impressed थे. Why? Because Albert Einstein was very good, very excellent in mathematics. He had studied all the mathematics that was taught in the school and bit more he had studied, okay? तो Albert को reference दिया और कहते हैं if I say I can't teach you anymore and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be all right? अब वो कहते हैं कि यदि मैं है ना इस एक्सटेंड तक जाते हैं कि जो एल्बर्ट है, ओके, वो इतने ज्यादा प्रोफिशिएंट हो चुके हैं मैथ्स में कि एल्बर्ट वुड सून बी रेडी टू टीच द टीचर्स आल्सो, ओके? यदि मैं ऐसा रेफरेंस दे दूं तो because nothing more is to be taught to you. Why? Because you have become so excellent in mathematics that you can even teach the teacher. तो इतना रेफरेंस दे दूं तो क्या it will be all right? He asked. That saying too much, sir, said Albert. अब Albert को थोड़ा सा है ना शर्म आई एंड एम्बेरेस फील करा. कहते नहीं सर, दैट वुड बी टू मच, ये तो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा कि अ स्टूडेंट नाउ ही इज एबल टू टीच हिज टीचर, ये तो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा, ओके? अब इतना रिस्पेक्ट था टीचर के लिए, तो कहते नहीं सर दैट वुड बी टू मच, इट्स ओनली द ट्रुथ. but all right, I'll put it more seriously. लेकिन मिस्टर कूच कहते हैं लेकिन सच तो यही है. Okay, but I'll put it in some different words, right? और बहुत अच्छे से he is going to furnish the certificate. एक बहुत अच्छा glowing reference, okay, बना देंगे. So now that's saying too much, sir, said Albert. It's only the truth, but all right, I'll put it more seriously. Who says? The teacher. It was still a glowing reference. Now a reference certificate, it was given. बहुत शानदार glowing reference दिया Mr. Cooch ने. And Mr. Cooch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. और उसमें mention कर दिया था, ठीक है ना, कि now Albert, he was so much this thing ready, okay, means he was so much capable, he was so excellent in mathematics that he could enter any college to continue to pursue his education in higher mathematics, okay. Itna acha glowing reference was given by the teacher. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry you're leaving us, although you're wasting your time in my class, he said. Now see, the teacher says, I'm sorry, he does not feel good. Why? Because he was an excellent student. Okay. तो कहते हैं हाँ दुख भी हो रहा है कि you are leaving us. हालांकि मैं जानता हूँ that you were wasting your time in my class. Okay. सर कहते हैं मुझे मालूम है कि तुम मेरी भी क्लास में you were wasting your time. तो एल्बर्ट का क्या जवाब होता है? It's almost the only class where I'm not wasting my time, said Albert. कहते हैं sir, it was the only class, the maths class, where I did not waste my time. समझ में आया? मिस्टर कूच को लगता है कि भाई इतनी एक्सीलेंट है मैथ्स में तो मेरी क्लास में भी क्या, वो तो टाइम पास ही कर रहे थे, एल्बर्ट टाइम वेस्ट ही कर रहे थे. तो एल्बर्ट कहते नहीं सर, एक आप ही की क्लास थी जिसमें आई डिड नॉट वेस्ट माय टाइम. बट हाउ डिड यू नो आई एम लीविंग सर? लेकिन एल्बर्ट कहता है हाउ डिड यू नो कि मैं स्कूल छोड़ रहा हूँ सर? तो सर टीचर थे, वो समझ गए. वो कहते हैं यू वुडंट हैव आस्क्ड मी फॉर दिस रेफरेंस अदरवाइज. If you wouldn't have been leaving, then you wouldn't have come to me and told me to give you the glowing reference, है ना, the certificate. यदि नहीं छोड़ रहे होते तो श्योरली आप मेरे पास नहीं आते और मुझे नहीं बोलते, सर को नहीं बोलते to give you the reference, the certificate, okay, glowing reference. I thought you would wonder. There's nothing to wonder about Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew it yourself. Albert was puzzled. Now he says that sir, मुझे तो लगा you are going to wonder, okay. तो Albert, उन्होंने कुछ बोला नहीं था टीचर को about leaving the school or so, right? तो लेकिन Mr. Cooch, he could very well identify before Albert realized himself. Now see, finally he says कि I knew you were going to leave before you knew it yourself. और सर कहते हैं मुझे मालूम था that you are going to leave the school. Okay, I knew it. मुझे अच्छी तरह मालूम था. तुम अपने आप को पहचानो उससे पहले ही मुझे ये मालूम था कि surely you will discontinue the school. अब टीचर ने कह तो दिया लेकिन एल्बर्ट इस बात पे पजल हो गए, कंफ्यूज हो गए. व्हाट डिड द टीचर मीन? क्या कहना चाहते थे? ही फेल्ड टू अंडरस्टूड बट ही सून फाउंड आउट. ओके, लेकिन वो तुरंत समझ गए कि ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट डिड द टीचर मीन, कि टीचर पहले ही समझे हुए थे कि surely this man he cannot continue with the school. Why? Because he was only interested in maths and science, and science means it was not taught there. Only mathematics was taught and other subjects were taught in which he was not at all interested. तो इस वजह से okay, he will one day, है ना, try to discontinue the school. So this thing happened. Mr. Cooch ने reference दे दिया, समझ गए अच्छी तरह कि now this student he will leave the school and move away. Followed beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue tomorrow.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
We'll just end up tomorrow, right?
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Beta.
Thank you.
God
Ma'am.
bless you all. Take care.